Hey love, so welcome back to my channel, and I'm actually really excited about today's video. This video is sponsored by Unique Baddies, and she is a young entrepreneur, African-American girl, and I think it is just the cutest thing ever that there are young women trying to get into like their own little business and doing their own thing and trying to make their own money. I think that's just the cutest thing, you know, because I'm grown and I'm not doing it, but to see someone young doing it, that's very inspiring and very adorable and motivating. But yeah, so she sells lashes, and then she also has lip glosses on her website too. I will link everything down in the description box below. And then yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I got these lashes. These are her Baddie ones. The way my life is set up. These are her Baddie lashes, and they are wispy, and I freaking love them. Tell me they're not cute. They're wispy. They're also a little full, but not too full for my liking, you know what I mean? They are mink lashes, and then also the band on these are a little on the thicker side, which I prefer because it makes it easier for me to control the band and place it onto my eyelid, because it is a fight, you guys, to put on my lashes. I love wearing them, but it's always an issue trying to put them on. I don't know why. I could do it on other people, but when it comes to applying lashes on myself, that is the most frustrating part for me. They come packaged like this, and then it's a plastic one, so you can use this to store your lashes in so you can keep them organized. They are reusable, of course. And then also for you to open it, I thought this was cute, but you can slide it to the side. You know the way my life is set up, I can't slide. Okay, so you can slide it to the side like this. And I think that's really cute because it's like, I don't know. And then it has like a glittery background. They're soft. Oh my God, they're so freaking cute. I'm so freaking excited. I really love lashes, but yeah. And they're not, the price for these are not bad. Again, everything will be down below so you can check it out. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to put one on camera, and I'm gonna let you guys know right now. If it becomes a struggle, then y'all just gonna see them on me, and then we'll finish the rest of the review. I'm letting y'all know right now I'm already stressed, and I don't even understand why. I don't know why it's this difficult. So first of all, when I put lashes, yeah, these are some good quality lashes, no joke. They're definitely mink lashes. But I like to make sure, or you want to make sure it's the right size. I was going to get up, but I have a mirror here so I can kind of show you. Yeah, and so you want to make sure they fit the size of your eye before you do anything, so that you may, just in case you may have to cut it and reshape it to your eye. I'm just going to check mine fairly quickly and see if I like it. See if it's too big. Okay, so for me, they're not too big. These are, of course, on the dramatic side, but again, she has different type of lashes, but I just really like these. Okay, so for me, the size is just fine. What I'm going to do is start applying the glue, and then we're going to try to put this on. Now the lashes do not come with glue, but if you guys want like a recommendation on like a really good glue, I'll link that down below as well. But I'm gonna tell you this, I already like the lashes, and I feel like this isn't gonna be too hard to apply. Oh, by the way, shipping was fairly quickly. It does take between 5 to 7 business days. And I did receive it within the 5 days that I ordered it. Try to apply them on. Okay, so this is how one lash is looking now. I love them. Let me get on put on the other one because honestly I look so fucking it looks so ridiculous. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, so these are the lashes, and I understand why they're called Baddie, because literally I put them on and I'm like, damn, like, and I'm not going to lie, these are extremely easy to put on. These are my favorite lashes and I'm never going back. Look so freaking good. They look so freaking good. They were so easy to put on. They're, oh my God, I feel like a badass B. I don't want to say the B word, but like I feel like, do y'all see these? And again, if these are too much for you, she has other different lashes on the site, but these are hella cute. Snow, please sit down. Okay, because I have to get, because she wants love and affection. You know, she come over here and rip the lashes right off of my face. Oh my gosh, y'all, these lashes are so freaking cute. I really like them. Like, I'm never going back. I haven't worn dramatic lashes like these before, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it with my hair. I'm feeling it with my earrings. I'm feeling it with my makeup, like my eye look. Like, are you guys feeling it? And if you are feeling it, link is in the description box below. Okay, let me stop. No, but seriously, y'all, these are it. I really like these lashes. And again, she's a young entrepreneur. Like, support if you can. If you really do love your mink lashes. Again, mink lashes are pretty expensive, but these are extremely affordable. And I love them. And so if you'd like to see me do more reviews on like different lashes, or even the lip gloss that she has on her site, let me know down below. And then I will also do a review on that as well, because I'm also going to get some more lashes as well as the lip gloss, because like today I wanted to put a gloss over these, over this lip look, and I didn't have one. And I realized, because I'm so used to my mattes and now I'm venturing out into glosses, and I realized I don't have any glosses, so I'm definitely going to get some off of her site. But yeah, if you like this video, be sure to like the video, comment down below, subscribe. If whatever else, what other content you want to see, let me know as well in the comments. And thanks again for sponsoring this video, Unique Baddies. And you definitely have a new customer, because I'm loving this. Like, I'm loving it. And yeah, see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all stay safe out there too. Bye.